Hello everybody, welcome back to Visit FYLDE Coast, and today we're going to go and take a look at Abingdon Street Market. But first of all, I want to just show you this photograph. Did you know that the tramway once ran around this road here? This is a picture from Facebook, and that's exactly that same spot. And the guy has dubbed an old picture with the tramway over the top of a new picture of this street. The person that had done it was Andrew Eyre, so I'm not trying to take credit for that. Andrew did a fantastic job, but I thought it was worth showing you. So Abingdon Street Market is obviously on Abingdon Street, which is just off St John's Square, which is this area here where the Winter Gardens is. And it was built in 1862 as a police station. And there's a road between just at the side of St John's Church. There's a little road down the back of there, and that was originally called Police Street. So it was built in 1862 as a police station, and actually you can see the police station sign over the front of the building because it was renovated quite recently with a grant, well, several grants actually. In 2012 it was refurbished with a Townscape Heritage Initiative grant, money from the Heritage Lottery Fund and money from Blackpool Council. So all of this front was all restored, the windows were replaced, it was all cleaned up and tidied up, and that new lettering was put on the top of the market as well, and that's made of hand cut oak letters which are covered in gold leaf. Now you'll probably be able to see now as we get right up to it, the police, just wait for the taxi, that's an electric taxi that you can't actually hear. The police station sign over the door, and the light as well. I'm not sure that the light's actually original, but there was a light there. So this was all restored in 2012. New entrance built and disabled access provided so that people can get inside and use it quite happily. So before it became a market, this is where the telephone boxes are, look at the side of the old post office. Before it became a market, it was a garage workshop and car showrooms. And then in 1925 it was known as Blackpool Market. That was when the market first moved in, and then in 1928 it became called Abingdon Street Market. So Blackpool Council has just actually received a grant from the government's Get In Building Fund, and they're going to improve the retail space, put some office use into it, and some performance space as well. So now we've done the background. We're gonna just take a little quick walk through it. Looks like they're doing some building work. We used to buy the meats off this stall here, which is obviously closed at the moment, and they were delightful. And it's, well, you can see why they're wanting to do some work inside it, because it's obviously suffered from coronavirus. The traders are still doing the best to keep trading, but they need your support. So if you're in Blackpool and you're around and about, pop in and have a look, because it is a good market. You can get quite a lot of different things, and there's not actually that many stalls that have closed. There's gents wear, ladies wear, knick-knacks, bits and bobs, jewellery. There's all kinds of different things. Food. There's a little cafe as well. That looks like it's closed at the minute. This is a fresh meat and poultry store. And they do they do good watch batteries. I can testify to that, because I've had many a watch battery from that one. And this is the back entrance of Abingdon Street Market. So we're at the top end of St John's Square here, and that's St John's Church. That's the back side of it, and that's the back entrance to the market. So that's obviously Edward Street, because it says so on the wall. And that's the back of the post office building, and that is also being redeveloped as a hotel and leisure space. And if you carry on walking in that direction, you'll come to Talbot Road and the new Sainsbury's. So don't forget, make sure that you've signed up for Visit FYLDE Coast email newsletter. You'll get one every week. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the bell as well for notifications, and then you'll get alerts when we upload new videos and we've been out looking at all these beautiful, lovely, sunny places. So you have a lovely day, and we'll see you soon. Toodaloo!